Hello friends, today I have taken a topic Doctrine of Pith and Substance, सार और स्वरूप का सिद्धांत जिसको हिंदी में हम कहते हैं. Today I would like to talk about a fascinating concept in constitutional law that helps us understand how laws are interpreted when there is a clash between the powers of the parliament and the state legislatures. It's called the doctrine of Pith and Substance. Now, don't let the fancy name confuse you. I will describe what is meant by Pith and what is meant by substance. Pith means the core or essence, and substance means the real content. So, this doctrine is all about finding the true nature of a law, what it is really about. The Constitution of India under 7th schedule divides legislative subjects into three lists, namely central government, a union list, subject of national importance, central government can make laws. Second is state list, subjects of local and regional importance. State legislature has the power to make law. Concurrent list, both central and state governments can make law. So our constitution divides law-making powers between the union and the states. But sometimes a law passed by one level of government might seem to be to touch on subjects that belong to the other. Should that law be struck down? The answer is not necessarily. That's where the doctrine comes into play. Courts usually ask, what is the main purpose of this law? If the law's core subject falls within the power of the legislature who made it, then it is valid, even if it is incidentally overlaps with another list. Let me give you an example. In the case of the state of Bombay versus FN Balsara, the state made a law to control alcohol, but it also affected import and export, which is a union subject. The Supreme Court said, wait, what's the real purpose here? Since the law was mainly about public health and morality, which are state subject, it was upheld. This shows that how this doctrine, Pith and Substance, helps maintain balance in our federal system. It prevents good laws from being thrown out just because they touch on another area a little bit. So it's a reminder that substance matters more than the form. Thanks for watching this video.